Everybody, I'm going to show you how to connect a pixel using Webebuilder. And so let me go ahead and hop right in here. And let's say that this is a website that we want to connect a pixel to. So you would essentially, again, find your website, funnel, or website, and then click which one you want. And then go to Website Settings, go to Applications, click Add Application, Facebook Pixel, Connect. What you're going to do right in here is go into your Facebook page, Business Manager Settings, and then essentially add pixel. You're going to name it, add your URL. This code right in here is what you want. Very simply, just copy and paste. Save and verify. Then go ahead and go right in here and just refresh. It may take a second. And then the next thing that you're going to do is see that it is active, but nonetheless, it may be red. So if it's red, go ahead and give it essentially a couple of minutes. If it's still red, click Open in Events Manager. You're going to see in here that, give it a second, there'll be a tool that should pop up. Yeah, you could go to Test Events, and you could essentially put in your URL, which is this. Open website, scroll down on it, mess around with it, do what you want. Actually click on it too. And then you're gonna see that it is working. So nonetheless, that's essentially what you wanna do is see that it's working all right. And then in the test events, you're gonna see that it is doing what it needs to be doing. You can start messing around with this stuff. You're gonna see that it's active, which is great. And that's how you're able to connect a pixel with Webebuilder.